Welcome back to my new computer build. I have the Corsair 900D case here. I got a couple of radiators in, but I'm actually going to take the stock cooler off of the GTX 780 Ti EVGA video card I have and put on a EK FC 780 GTX Ti water block with the EK backplate. So my first time, so I've done my research, watched a lot of videos, read the directions, so we'll see how it goes. Stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. It is now complete. The water block is on the card. As you can see, I have two cards, so I already did the first one. But it went okay. Directions are pretty clear. Videos helped. If you turn the card around, there's the back plate on the card. Just a couple of screws and that screws it on. But it went pretty well, and I like the look of it. I like the black. You know, the black look of it. It's kind of cool. I do have another card to do, as you can see. I have that card I have to do, but I'm going to tackle that right now. As you can see, though, the water block card and the other card that has a stock cooler on it, big difference. Hopefully it'll help with the cooling. Okay, I'll get back to you once I do the other video card. Stay tuned.